Hey everyone, I'm John from Garden Savvy. Welcome to a Hortisketch mini tutorial. In this video, we're covering how to create your own custom raised beds and objects utilizing the Create tool. Hortisketch offers pre-made raised bed icons under the Structures tab. Utilize the drop-down menu and scroll down to the pre-made raised beds or square foot gardening beds. If you can't find a raised bed that matches your size, you can use the Create tool. Click the Create tool at the top of the screen and a new menu appears. The first tool is the Pen tool. With the Pen tool selected, you can create any shape or object you'd like. Click on the canvas to start creating white points. Keep clicking to create your desired shape or object. When using the Pen tool, you must close the loop by connecting back to your starting point. Upon closing the loop, your shape will be formed. This new custom object can be scaled and rotated the same way any other icon in Hortisketch can be scaled. If you wish to make a custom raised bed or another simple object, utilize the Selection tool and click a pre-made shape. Click and drag on the canvas to create your shape. On the bottom right, you can track the shape's length and width so you're able to make a precise shape. Once you complete your shape, new options are available to you. You can change the fill of the object and select a color or a pattern. For our raised bed, let's fill it with dirt. Next, if you check this box, you can add a border to your object. Change the border thickness by entering a number between 1 and 25. You can also change the color of your border. Next, the two available sliders can be utilized to change the object's transparency or to round the edges. The transparency slider is perfect for when you're adding a cold frame or creating a custom greenhouse over your garden. Simply draw a new shape, then change the transparency so you can see through it. Use the second slider to round the edges of your objects. Lastly, the Move Forwards and Move Backwards buttons can be used if you are layering several objects. Click the buttons to change which object is seen on top and which objects are seen below. Hortisketch has hundreds of layers, so if the first time you click a Move Back or Move Forward button and you do not see any visual change, keep clicking the button until the object changes to a layer above or below the object you're clicking on. That's it for this video. If you still need help, check out our tutorial video library for more tutorial videos or email us at info@gardensavvy.com.